Welcome to this chakra meditation. My name is Devra. In this guided meditation, we will explore the energy centers called chakras and journey to a place of peace and relaxation. Now take a moment to find a comfortable position, lying down or sitting upright, a position where your body can completely relax. Let's begin. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and exhale. Imagine a wheel. It begins to spin, and at the center of this wheel, you can see a star, a beautiful white light. This light is warm and comforting. When you see it, you feel free of all worry and stress. This wheel represents a chakra, a spinning wheel of energy and light. If you feel your mind wandering, simply visualize this wheel and then return with us to the guided meditation. Take another deep breath and exhale. We begin at the root chakra. Turn your attention to a point at the base of your spine, what we call the tailbone, the very tip of the vertebrae. Now take that wheel of light you just imagined and visualize that wheel right at the base of your spine. The wheel changes and becomes a beautiful, deep shade of red. This red wheel represents the root chakra. It's associated with stability, grounding, and connection to the physical world. At this moment, your only thought is your connection to the earth. As if you're a very tall oak with very deep roots in the soil. Our focus now becomes the word stability. And now the color red. And again, stability. Focus your attention on those two things. Just those two things. Take a deep breath and exhale. Visualize the red wheel moving a couple of inches up your body. It stops below the navel, 2 or 3 inches below your belly button. Now the red wheel becomes orange. This orange wheel represents the sacral chakra. The sacral chakra is associated with pleasure, creativity, and sensuality. At this moment, your only thought is enjoyment. Ask yourself, what brings me pleasure? Our focus now becomes the word joy. And now the color orange. And again, joy. Focus your attention on those two things. Just those two things. Take a deep breath and exhale. The orange wheel moves a few more inches up your body. It stops just a couple of inches below your ribs. Now the orange wheel becomes a golden yellow, the color of the sun. The physical place between the navel and the ribs is the solar plexus, a web of nerves that react to stress. By bringing our awareness to the energy center at the solar plexus, we begin to tame this stress reaction. The solar plexus chakra is associated with confidence, self-esteem, and personal power. Refocus your attention on this yellow wheel. At this moment, your only thought is courage. You are fearless. Our focus now becomes the word confidence. And now the golden yellow color of the sun. And again, confidence. Focus your attention on those two things, just those two things. Place your hand between your navel and ribs at the solar plexus. Notice any sensations of tension and take another deep breath. Exhale out tension. Visualize the yellow wheel moving up your body just a few more inches, stopping in the middle of your chest. The yellow wheel becomes green, the color of spring leaves. This green wheel represents the heart chakra. The heart chakra is associated with love and compassion. Focus all of your attention on this green wheel. At this moment, your only thought is of compassion. Ask yourself, how can I be kinder to myself? Our focus now is on the word tenderness. And now the green of spring and new growth. And now tenderness for yourself. Take a deep breath and exhale. Visualize the green wheel moving up your body a few more inches, stopping in the middle of your throat. The green wheel becomes blue, the color of a perfect summer sky. This blue wheel represents the throat chakra. The throat chakra is associated with communication and self-expression. Focus all of your attention on this blue wheel. Ask yourself, how can I be true to myself? Your focus now is on the word integrity. And now the blue color of the sky. And again, integrity. Take a deep breath and exhale. Visualize the blue wheel moving up to the middle of your forehead. The blue wheel becomes indigo, a deep, deep shade of purple blue. This deeply colored wheel represents the third eye. The third eye chakra is associated with self-awareness and insight. Focus all of your attention on this deep indigo wheel. Bring the fearlessness of the solar plexus chakra to the third eye. Bring the integrity and truth of the throat chakra to the third eye. Ask yourself, what is keeping me from loving myself right now? Can I see myself as I am and be at peace? Your focus now is on the word insight. And now that deep indigo color of the third eye. And again, insight. Take a deep breath and exhale. Visualize that deeply colored indigo wheel moving upwards to the top of your head. The wheel becomes a crown of violet flame. This violet flame represents the crown chakra. The crown chakra is associated with self-realization. Ask yourself, how can I fulfill my potential? Focus all of your attention on this violet wheel. Imagine a bright white light at the center of this wheel. This journey has brought you here. Remember the self-awareness and insight revealed at the third eye. Remember the integrity, the compassion, the courage, the joy, and the stability accepted along the way. Your focus now is on the word awakening. And now the flaming violet of the crown chakra. And again, awakening. Take a deep breath and exhale. Finally, visualize a ray of light entering at the root chakra. It moves through you until it exits at the crown chakra, connecting all of the chakras as one shimmering beam of light. This beam of light brings a profound sense of peace. Take a deep breath and exhale. Allow the peace of this light to soothe and protect you. And know that you can return to this state of peace whenever you need to. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Be well.